Hi everybody, Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel Magic with Food for the next episode. In this episode, we are going to discuss on good healthy habits. Good health will give us good healthy body, healthy mind and healthy life. For such a good health, we need to take small steps which will work wonders in our life. For all this, time management plays a very vital role. In this video, we have combined music. Music plays an important role in our life. Music helps to calm our mind, remove stress, agony, depression, as well as anxiety. In this video, we have used different ragas from Carnatic music for different activities. It's purely my individual choice, individual to individual, it differs. Let's go into the video. Raga Kalyani. It is the queen of Raga family. It's called as Eman in Hindustani music. It helps to reshape our bodies, reshape the energies that each of us takes in. It has a motherly touch, hence I have used this for balanced diet.
A balanced diet provides all required macro and micronutrients in right amount per day, makes body ready to face emergencies, supports body during physiological conditions, helps to maintain a healthy body weight, and also provides required antioxidants.
Raga Malahari, a morning raga which brings out a sense of calmness. It is associated with the rainy season and water. Water. Water increases energy and relieves fatigue. It promotes weight loss, flushes out the toxins, good for skin health. 8 glasses of water or 2 liters of water is required by the body per day. Raga Kheerwani. This ragam is a popular scale in Western music. This ragam promotes dhyana at mental and physical levels. Hence, it is used for meditation.
To engage oneself in mental exercise is called as meditation. It helps to boost one's overall health, decreases stress, increases one's focus and awareness, enhances creativity, improves relationship, and also helps in sleep.
Bhuvpalam. It is again a morning ragam. It is used for chanting shlokas. The raga sounds pleasant, hence good for yoga practice in the morning.
Yoga offers physical and mental health benefits for people of all ages. It supports the healing process. It helps to connect with the self, improves concentration and memory. Healthy body with a healthy mind keeps the stress-borne diseases at bay, improves the immunity, better emotional balance. Raga Riti Gaula. This raga has a mesmerizing effect on mind and body. It helps in relaxation. It evokes bhakti rasa and calms mind. Personal hygiene. It helps in disease prevention, social and professional acceptance, higher confidence and self-esteem, makes a great role model. Mohana Raga. It has a power to calm down anxiety, stabilize and soothe the depressed state of mind. Hence, I felt it is best suited for exercise. Exercise can be walking, jogging, running, swimming, or cycling, etc. It helps to improve memory and brain function, protect against chronic diseases, helps in weight management, lowers blood pressure, and improves heart health, improves quality of sleep, reduces the feeling of anxiety and depression. Raga Abheri. It provides happiness and gives calmness to mind, which is more important during work. That is what I felt. Benefits of occupation and hobbies. It increases the energy, improves the creativity, it builds mental alertness, more productivity, always keeps a person positive. Amrutavarshini, a friendly, adaptable, balance are the characteristic feature of this raga, apart from which it means rain, my favorite raga also. So, I have used this raga for socialization of people. Socialization may be with friends, relatives, and neighbors. It helps to improve mental and emotional health, gives confidence and self esteem, increase quality of life, decreases the risk of dementia, boosts immunity and other physical health benefits, increases the brain health, promotes purpose in life. Neelambari. This is a raga that is associated with relaxation, peace, a typical raga which induces sleep and also has sleep promoting qualities.
Rest and sleep. Sleep boosts one's immune system. Better sleep is better mind. Improves memory, better productivity, strengthens heart, prevents weight gain. Indian classical music ragas are close to the environment, nature, and seasons. Hence, the Vasant Ragam chosen for good environment. Good environment is essential for everyone. Infection free life, increased self confidence, high productivity.
Although it can be tempting to change everything at once, focusing on small habits and doing them on a daily basis is the best way to make a healthy daily routine. And such healthy habits last for a long time.